What's up, YouTube? So, me and Riley tried to do a unboxing for a Mier Lanshan tent. This is going to be the tent that we're taking on to the Appalachian Trail. I'm super excited. I've been trying to get my hands on this tent for a little while, so it came in today. But before we get to that, I want to recommend you guys go check out APPYMOUNTAINTREKKERS. This guy shouted out our channel, and I was completely blown off guard. Like, I was not ready for that. So it was really cool. And if you're watching, I just want to say thank you so much for shouting out the channel. That's so cool. And everybody else, I highly recommend checking out APPYMOUNTAINTREKKERS. If you like anything outdoors, you want to go learn something new, check him out. And check out his latest video. And that's pretty wild what happened over there. I would have probably...
Up until this point, it's been very quiet. We've just been sitting around a fire, shooting a bull. Right in the middle of a conversation, we started hearing tree breaks.
I would have probably had to leave the trail and go grab some new drawers, but yeah. So enjoy this unboxing attempt, and I hope to see you guys again soon.
So I got my tent for the Appalachian Trail we're going to be going on soon.
So we got the Mier tent from Amazon. Here, I'll open it.
I can do it. I only got this too.
Just like the Lanshan. Well, I think it is the Lanshan.
Another box.
A box in a box?
I think it's going to be another box in a box. What is this?
So it's shipped from Mier. And it's supposed to be a replica of the Lanshan tent that everybody's getting hyped about. Okay.
Who's yellow? Whoa, it's yellow.
Oh, well, check it out. Well, that sums that up. It is the Lanshan tent. Just sold by somebody else. Check it out. Look how small and light it is.
Hold on. I can, like, put
That's pretty cool. Well, don't break the straps. Alright, let's see what's in there. There's like just the tent stakes. Some extra guy wires. Got your stakes and some repair tape stuff. Nice. Let's see what this is all about. Got the instructions attached to the bag. Which one do you want to do? Pull the tent or the bag? Okay, cool. Alright. We don't have the footprint yet. We're just going to use a tarp. Yeah, let's lay the tarp down first. Okay, so it's all laid out. It looks like you just take this little thing, those stakes through the four corners, like the instructions say. This is really cool. We don't have the footprint yet. The footprint matches it exactly, so we won't have the overhang on the tarp for the water to come through and whatnot. But let's set it up and see what it's all about. Get the camera set back up, and then fast forward starting now. Alright, for rookie's first time setup, that was a little difficult to be honest. But, I mean not difficult, just getting everything lined up. I'm still not exactly sure if I got the vestibule right. I'm gonna have to check it out. I don't think it's supposed to touch the ground. But when I have it closed and I try to connect it, it's like wide open. I think it's supposed to be like that though. It's not that bad. Yeah, this tent is sick. Oh my goodness, I love it. But yeah, it's an exact Lanshan. Like it's literally a Lanshan. Except sold by Mier. And they put little stuff, you know, their little tags and stuff on there. But this thing is awesome. And there's plenty of room for both me and Ryleigh in this one. So my other one-man tent didn't fit me and Ryleigh both. And then this one has two vestibules, like you can have an exit on that side and this side. And then the whole yellow comes off. Everything that's yellow comes off, and it's just a screen tent. So if it's a nice night, you can just sleep under the screen. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. It's a little difficult trying to get these things figured out, but it's actually pretty self-explanatory once you fiddle with it for a second. But this, I don't know if I got the end right, and if I did, I don't know what this extra loop is for. So I'm gonna check that out. I think that actually has something to do with the vestibule, right? Like I could probably just hook the string up real quick and easy to this when I want to close it up. Because it came with extra strings, and they're hooks. It has hooks on them. Right, so I think one end of the hook goes on here, and the other end hooks to the bottom of here, I think. Yes, let's see. Back to fast forward, you ready? Go. Yes, that wasn't too difficult. I just connected, well, I tied a little knot. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you're supposed to do it. And I just connected that to that. And then it has the little slider to add tension. And I did that to get it out of the way. I'm not exactly sure if that's how it's supposed to go, but I think so. It'll work. It'll work for now anyway. I think I did it backwards, so. It was pretty neat. Looking around, I don't see anything wrong with it. So it should work. The only question I have is if it's going to be easy to stuff back in. Plenty of room. And it doesn't touch. And then to get in, you just pop this off. Boop. And then it unzips. There you go. So I guess you don't even have to leave that there, but I guess if there's a storm, you want to just connect it before you go to sleep, just for extra security. It's pretty neat, man. I can't wait to try it out. I think we'll sleep in it as soon as we got rain. But other than that, check it out. We're gonna do another video coming up soon, so like a review of it, see how we like it, as well as I gotta look into it and make sure I set it up right, because I don't think it's supposed to be up so high. So we'll look into that, and then come out with a video on how to properly set it up, once I set it up a bunch. But that's the Mier Lanshan unboxing, and everything came connected right, so that's cool. But other than that, take care of yourselves, stay awesome, and I'll see you again soon.
Hi guys, I just took a little break while my dad's going to go and get his phone because he forgot it. So yeah, so I am just going to have a little break right now. So okay, tell me in the comments, do your family like to go hiking? Maybe not, maybe they do.